Imagine stepping into a time machine and rolling out in a classic American legend that turns heads wherever it goes. Today, we're diving deep into the raw power, timeless design, and untold stories behind the 1970 Chevrolet C20 pickup, one of the most iconic trucks ever built. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why this beast isn't just a truck. It's a statement, a piece of history, and for some, the ultimate collector's dream. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, you already know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and turn on notifications because today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic American trucks ever built. I'm talking about the 1970 Chevrolet C20 pickup, a machine that represents raw strength, timeless design, and an era when trucks were built to work hard and look good doing it. Picture America in 1970. Gas was cheap, roads were long, and trucks weren't trying to be luxury SUVs in disguise. They were honest, mechanical, steel-built workhorses. The 1970 Chevrolet C20 pickup rolled off the line right in the heart of that golden era, part of Chevrolet's legendary action line generation. This was a truck designed not to impress with screens or tech, but to earn respect through capability, reliability, and attitude. The C20 sat perfectly in the lineup. It wasn't the light-duty cruiser like the C10, and it wasn't the heavy-duty industrial beast either. The C20 was the sweet spot, a 3/4-ton truck built for serious work. Farmers, contractors, tow operators, and small business owners trusted this truck because it could haul tow and survive abuse day after day. And yet, decades later, it's the same truck that turns heads at car shows, stops people at gas stations, and dominates classic truck builds online. One look at the 1970 C20 and you immediately understand why it has aged so well. The body lines are clean and muscular without being flashy. The front end is wide and confident, with that unmistakable Chevrolet grille that feels bold without shouting. The hood stretches long and flat, giving the truck a commanding presence, while the squared off fenders and strong shoulder lines make it look planted and unbreakable. This truck doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. Under the hood is where legends are born. Chevrolet gave buyers a range of engines from dependable inline sixes to powerful V8s that could move mountains. The small block V8s were popular for their balance of power and reliability, but many C20s were ordered with big block muscle. Engines that delivered serious torque and that unmistakable deep rumble. These motors weren't designed for fuel efficiency or silence. They were designed to pull, haul, and keep going no matter how hard you push them. The driving experience of a 1970 Chevrolet C20 pickup is something modern trucks simply can't replicate. You feel everything: the vibration of the engine, the weight of the steering, the mechanical honesty of the suspension. There are no filters, no electronic interference. When you press the throttle, the truck responds directly, and when you turn the wheel, you feel the road beneath you. It's not about comfort in the modern sense, it's about connection. Inside the cab, simplicity rules. A wide bench seat, a steel dashboard, large analog gauges, and controls you can operate with work gloves on. This interior wasn't built for showrooms, it was built for real life. And yet, that simplicity is exactly what makes it special today. Restored or customized, the cabin of a C20 feels authentic, nostalgic, and refreshingly honest in a world overloaded with digital noise. What really makes the 1970 C20 special is how versatile it is today. Some owners restore them to factory perfection, down to original paint codes and trim details. Others build them into slam street trucks, lifted off-road rigs, or rest-amid monsters with modern suspensions, brakes, and engines hiding beneath classic sheet metal. No matter the direction, the C20 handles it effortlessly, like a blank canvas waiting for its next chapter. Collectors have taken notice. Values for clean, well-built C20s have been climbing steadily, especially as enthusiasts realize that these trucks are becoming harder to find in solid condition. Rust-free bodies, original frames, and numbers matching drivetrains are now highly sought after. What was once just an old work truck is now a piece of American automotive history, and the market reflects that shift. But beyond the numbers and the value, the 1970 Chevrolet C20 pickup represents something deeper. It represents a time when things were built to last, when design followed function, and when reliability mattered more than trends. This truck wasn't trying to be iconic, it just did its job so well that it became iconic over time. Every dent, every scratch, every worn-out handle tells a story. Maybe it hauled lumber for a new family home, maybe it pulled trailers across state lines, maybe it sat on a farm for decades, starting every morning without complaint. These trucks lived real lives, and that history is part of their soul. Today, when you see a 1970 C20 rolling down the road, it feels like a moving time capsule. It reminds us of where trucks came from and why they mattered in the first place. It's not just transportation, it's character, craftsmanship, and culture welded together in steel. If you're thinking about owning one, restoring one, or even just appreciating one, understand this: you're not just buying a truck, you're buying into a legacy. You're becoming a caretaker of a machine that helped build America one load at a time. And that's why the 1970 Chevrolet C20 pickup continues to command respect, admiration, and passion more than 50 years later. It doesn't need to prove anything, it already has. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more classic trucks, restorations, stories, and legends just like this, don't forget, what's up everyone, subscribe my channel, drop a comment, and let me know what truck you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one.